Yo, yo. Backends where the magic lies. Servers, summit database vibes. Now beats queries running fast. Load balancing for the server's blast. Node.js, Django, rail so smooth. Express power, we make the move. Setting up routes, restful might. Endpoints ready to fight. The database, SQL. Choose your game. MongoDB or PostgreSQL ain't the same. Carries deep, optimizing fast joins and index 6 last until the last. Authentication, secure your app, JWT. OAuth tokens, keep it neat. Cookie sessions tracking the way. User login, don't go astray. Performance tuning, caching's king. Redestin the lead, load balancing like you always succeed. Scaling up microservices fly. Multiple servers, we don't ask why. APs and webhooks, REST or GraphQL, we stay clean. Build AP is data exchange king. Postman testing, calls go far. Webhooks triggering, never a scar. Backend's power under the hood. Processing data, doing it good. From service to code, it all aligns. Backend devs are real masterminds.